Welcome to the Disney Treasure. My name's Theresa, and we're going to follow Cam into a Verandah stateroom on Disney Cruise Line's newest ship, the Disney Treasure. Because it just launched this December 21st, 2024, we are one of the first cruise sailings, so we're excited to give you this tour, including these beautiful jewel-toned tiles in the bathroom. You can see that there is a bathtub, there is a rain shower, and separately there is a toilet, so you have some privacy. And then if you have the concierge room, you get two really soft Disney robes and slippers. You don't get to take those home, folks. And then you have two additional closets, and then you also have a safe for your valuables. And let's have Cam walk us through what we had as a gift inside the room.
Look at that. Feels like it could keep things colder. Oh, towel holder? Yeah. It's actually quite a spacious room in terms of a cruise ship. I could do this without touching the walls, which is always nice. Yeah. Well, I want to talk about this fruit basket that was in here. There's a coconut, a mandarin orange, a pear, grapes, apples, strawberry, raspberry, blackberries. This is right up my alley. All these would wind up very wonderful in a cocktail. Speaking of which, I got drinks. We got some water. Styling tool. Oh, so you don't, if you want to straighten your hair, they don't want you to burn anything. Dryer, nice. Nothing makes you feel at home more than a guide to criminal activity prevention. Cruise line. Nice high quality. Look at the Serengeti. Look at the Lion King there. You see him up top, Mustafa?
As part of this room package, it is part of the concierge side of the ship. So concierge on this particular ship can fit up to 300 people. That means there are 72 suites and 50 rooms that are designated concierge. The benefits of concierge includes an all-inclusive food and beverage, including alcohol package. So you have access, you tap your little magic band there, or your key to the world band. So on the Treasure, you have this upstairs that has the bathrooms on the left. If we were to go outside to the left here, it is a sunroof. It's very quiet. There's a bar just for the concierge guests there. Cam and I really enjoy having access to unlimited caffeine. We have this coffee maker that is very helpful. They're open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. every single day throughout the 7-night excursion. And then on day one, they have wines and beers and champagnes as a welcome throughout the day, which is included. And then after that day one, you have access to wine, beer, alcohol beverages all evening from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. You can bring that glass of wine with you to your dinner or your Broadway style show. Now stay tuned because we will be sharing more about the experiences on that Disney Treasure ship. And for now, we're going to head back into our room on the starboard side, which, by the way, that is the best side if you want to see the pirate show and the fireworks from your own room instead of the deck. And just sitting out on this balcony, feeling so incredibly blessed and just thankful that we were able to take this trip with Disney Cruise Lines. And we will see you real soon.